I would have a really bad review on this company if I did not know how to bring it back. The first time this happened, girl, I was like, TF, okay? But I just took 2 ingredients, one being water, and it came, it was everything, curls defined and everything. So let me show y'all the back. I don't have it glued down or anything, just in case you didn't notice. I just put it on because I want to make sure I can get every nook and cranny, so I'm going to do it on my canvas head. But let me show you the back. The back of this hair and the lack of movement. Y'all see that? It is so stiff. I had it pent up. Ooh, I had it pent up. And so, yeah, that's why it's just lifeless. But I'm going to show you how to define these curls and get this wig back popping again and make it look just like new. Stay tuned. First ingredient is water. It is optional if you want to put a leave-in conditioner or a conditioner in your water. The next ingredient is a mousse. You can use any mousse of your liking. I use Suave. Just make sure it doesn't have alcohol in it. The conditioner I'm using today is Suave. I put like a dime size amount in this tiny bottle of water and just shake it up. So now I'm just going to spray the unit down with water. You want to fully saturate it. If you want, you actually can run it under the water in the sink, but I just think that this way it makes more sense because I have full control over how much water is going to be on the hair. It's really not necessary to completely drench it. I realized I did not secure the unit on the canvas head, so that's what I'm doing. Also notice that I'm putting plastic over my canvas head to keep it from getting soaked and wet. But right now I'm just going to stretch the unit down and pin it with a T-pin. I do have a total of about 3 T-pins. There's 2 on the front, ear to ear, 1 in the top, and then this one in the bottom I forgot to put in there. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now what you want to do is comb the unit out. Always start from the bottom and work your way up. This is very, very, very important. That is a rule of thumb for natural hair or your wigs or weave or whatever. Always start from the bottom and comb your way up. When you are using the spray bottle to wet the hair, you could tell how wet it is by looking at the poofiness in the hair. Once it's wet, it's going to lay. Make sure to pay close attention to the ends because you will easily neglect them like I did. So spray directly on the ends as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and continue to make sure it is completely detangled. I'm coming here towards the back, because of the way that I plan to wear the style. When you use mousse, it kind of makes the hair stiff. The more you use, the more stiff it's going to be. So if it's going to lay, I want it to lay going towards the back. It's really hot here. FYI, this is a glued unit. I used the hot glue gun method for this wig. Just because it's glued does not mean that you cannot use water. This is how I style my hair. Anytime it's like too big or it needs to be washed, you can shampoo a glued unit. You can treat a glued unit just like any other unit. So now that the hair is completely soaked, I am going to style it. And today I'm going for a side part. You can leave the unit like this if you want with these curls here. It's gonna be like that kind of big hair a little bit, but to define the curls even more, you're gonna have to add your mousse. I do wear it both ways. Either way is fine. Just make sure your mousse, again, I can't stress it enough, make sure there's no alcohol in that mousse or it will loosen up the glue off your lace if you're gluing it down. Just in case I did not mention, this bomb hair is from Pink and Purple Hair Company. It's pink, the letter N, Purple Hair Company. All of their information will be linked in the description box if you are interested. If you use my code, it's YT for YouTube, Nikki J, NIKKI, the letter J. You will receive free shipping with my code, so make sure you use that. If you have any problems with my code, please contact them because that's just the code that I have to share with you guys. They do have a phone number. I mean, oh my God, you can actually talk to a live person. So just contact them if you have any issues using my code. One thing I appreciate so much about this hair is how it's curly from the roots all the way to the ends. A lot of times you see curly hair and it's straight in the top coming from the roots and then it starts to get curly. Look at this. It is curly starting from the roots. That's what I really, really appreciate about this hair. It's just amazing. And when it tangles at the neck in the back, it's literally just a comb or your fingers will detangle it. So now I'm going to add the mousse. I'm going to use a lot of mousse. This is totally optional, guys. If you don't want the hair as stiff as I like to have mine, or if you don't want it weighed down so much, you do not have to use as much mousse as you're going to see me using in this video. But at the end of the video, you will see the results that I get from doing it this way. I actually like that curly, stringy look. Sometimes I don't want to wear that look. So what I would do then is I would use less mousse because it won't define the curls as much. It'll look more wavy than curly. going to part the hair just to make sure I got mousse on every level of the hair. Again, this is optional. Also, if you use a fine tooth comb or a dimming brush, you will get a different effect. So it just depends on how much mousse you use and what brush or comb you use in order to get whatever look you're trying to go for. So now I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out. Now that I have all the mousse in there, this is how I make it stringy. I kind of like lift the hair up and comb it out and then just let it fall. Ooh, girl, she is coming together. Okay, after I'm done, I'm just going to let it sit and air dry. You can also use a diffuser on your dryer. Okay, so now I am going to work on my baby hair / cover my lace. This unit is overplucked. So you see this little bald spot right here in the front, guys. Yes, I know it's there. I overplucked this part. But it's okay. Still look okay. Still looks natural. So I'm just using my baby hair comb and brush combo.
Girl, look at these girls. Yes. So all I did was just let it air dry and she was ready for me. Curls defined. Say it ain't so. My curls are popping. The hair looks new, just like I just got it. And I love it. So now I gotta let you guys see the back so you can be the judge of it yourself. We got hair movement like it should be, okay? Whipping my hair back and forth. But yes, this is it. It is nice to know ya. But yeah, so I don't want too much on the front. So I pretty much, if you noticed, I was combing it back. I don't want too much on the front because it's hot out here. So just kind of wear it kind of back, even though I have a part in there, kind of combing it back. The only thing different I would have done was gotten my frontal much longer. I would have chosen a longer frontal because it's giving me a different style, but it's not the style I was going for. I was just going for like straight, long, curly hair, but because I got this one shorter and it's much shorter, it's giving me like a stacked, layered effect, I should say. But that's fine, you know. I mean, sometimes the hair still fall forward, and I'm okay with this look too. It's okay, but so far the hair is bomb. I've had it for probably like a month, and I think the only time I did not wear it is probably for about 2 or 3 days where I wore my short wig. I don't even know why, I guess. I don't know why. I just wanted a different look, and so that's what I wore. And now I'm back to this. I think I'm gonna do one more review probably like after 3 months, and then that's it. I'm done. But because I just want to see how long it's gonna hold up looking nice. So far I love it. Like all it takes is some spray, some water and a comb, and you're back like new. So yeah, virgin hair over human hair any day for me. Okay, But that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you were able to benefit from this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as She Is Blessed. The link is in the description box. Also, some freebies and some goodies and all that stuff is in the description box for you guys. Just click the link for whichever that you are interested in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. But you do know I can hear you in my video, right?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you was talking too. I'm sorry.
Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, excuse me.